Right, today we're going to show you how you can fix a key fob. You can see that it's broken over on this side. It also broke on this side, so there's no way a keychain will stay on the key. So I bought this, it's just a cover that goes over your fob, and bought this on Amazon. It was about $7. And so what you're going to do is just take it out and slide it over. So it's kind of hard to get it started. What you want to do is just get a screwdriver and you just kind of pull it on. And once you get it started, then you can just go ahead and start sliding it on. There. And you can also put your finger in on the back side and just kind of keep sliding it. Just keep working it on. You want it to be tight, and that's why they do this, because you don't want it to slide off. So it's going to be a nice snug fit. You just keep pushing it on. And there you have it. So then you can go ahead and put a keychain on, and now you're good to go. So here you have, this is the one we did for the Honda Odyssey. This one we did for a Honda Civic. So you can get it for almost any car. But again, if your ends break off, this is one way you can still continue using it. You don't have to pay $75 to $100 to have them make another key. So, and this should work really well. This was for a 2012 Honda Odyssey. You'll want to make sure you get the fob cover for your specific vehicle. But thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.